How to log into a Carnival credit card account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about logging into your Carnival World Mastercard credit card online account. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch your preferred web browser, and in the search bar type in Carnival credit card login and hit enter in your keyboard. And then initiate the search. Various websites links will appear. Click on the very first link that is indicating welcome to Barclays US, and after you do that you will be directed to the login page, and from here you can easily log into your account. The Carnival World Mastercard is known for being affordable and fun, offering an easy to earn welcome bonus, no annual fees and no foreign transaction fees. The Carnival World Mastercard is currently offering a sign-up bonus of 2,000 fun points after your first purchase or balance transfer. To log into your account, you need to provide your credentials. Firstly, type in your username and then type in your password. And if you want to save your username for the future logins, you can check the Remember Username option over here. And in case you have forgotten your username or your password, you can click on the option to recover it. And once you've filled in your credentials, click on the login button. And with that, you will be logged into your account. If you haven't created your account yet, you can click on the Enroll for Online Access option and proceed with the registration process. So that's all for this video. This is how you can easily log into your Carnival World Mastercard credit card from the Barclays Bank online. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.